Welcome back for part 3 of the 16 dating tips to attract your perfect partner using dating apps. So let's jump right in. Number 9, look for reliable, consistent, loyal people. If you have dollar signs in your eyes and you're only looking for status or money, consider the outcome. Most of these people are going to work a lot and they might have compromising values. They may be used to people massaging their egos, or maybe they feel that money can buy love. Number 10, your first move is critical. You can't sit back there and wait. Not if you're serious about being in a relationship. Number 11, take action when you find someone who seems promising. Don't be afraid and don't be shy. Don't be the one all alone because you were too afraid to send that first text. Number 12, make the first move. If you don't, you're wasting your time. And time is the one thing that you can never get back. Now, if you missed any of the previous dating tips, you can find them right here under Dare to Date Differently. And I'll see you soon for part 3.